In this video, you'll learn how to file your eBay taxes using TurboTax. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of how to accurately report your eBay income and expenses for tax purposes. Start by collecting all your eBay sales records and financial reports for the tax year. This includes your total revenue, fees, and any expenses related to your eBay sales. Organizing these documents is essential as it helps determine your taxable income. Accurate documentation is crucial when filing taxes as it simplifies the process and reduces the risk of mistakes. Proper preparation ensures that you are ready for accurate reporting. Next, log into your TurboTax account to begin the tax filing process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the section labeled Business Income or Self-Employment. This is where you will enter your eBay earnings. Make sure to include all relevant expenses such as shipping costs and eBay fees. TurboTax will guide you through the necessary steps for reporting these figures, and precise entries are vital for ensuring correct calculations. After entering your income and expenses, review the completed tax information thoroughly before submitting your return. It is important to verify that all income and expenses have been entered accurately. TurboTax will calculate the final tax amount owed based on the information provided. Take your time to ensure everything is correct, as careful reporting helps avoid potential penalties. Once you've verified all entries and feel confident in the accuracy of your information, you can submit your return through the TurboTax platform. After submission, it is advisable to keep copies of your tax records for future reference. Maintaining organized records will simplify any future tax reporting and help you stay compliant with tax regulations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.